Hello, this is Mark Lewis, the principal of Gemstone Elementary. Welcome to our annual Title I meeting. We know that our theme for this year is Be the Change. Our Parent and Family Engagement Coordinator and Communications Liaison is Christy Bentley. Her email is bentleyk@conwayschools.net. Parents' right to know. You have the right to ask for qualifications of any teacher or paraprofessional. If for some reason someone uncertified is teaching your student for 20 consecutive days, you'll receive a letter informing you of this. Our annual report card is on the Arkansas Department of Ed website. That's desi.ade.arkansas.gov. Progress review is the same as annual report card, but for the district. Written state complaint procedures found on the Arkansas Department of Education website. Parent communication, meaningful two-way communication between the parent and the school. It's very important. Please contact us by email. That is the easiest way to get in touch with us. If you are disabled, you have the right to ask for auxiliary aids and services to be used for communication. Parent-family engagement plan, school parent compact, parent information packet. All can be found on the Gemstone Elementary website or the Conway Public Schools website at conwayschools.org. You have the right to request a meeting to formulate suggestions or to participate in decisions to be made about your child's education. Thank you so much for listening. This concludes our annual meeting, and we will see you back next year. Thank you. All right. I don't see done down here. I see exit.
No. No, that's the slide. See the round that.
Oh, there's that.
Try it and see. Okay.
So there's that.